yourself. Ang atong buhaton karon magdikit rataan ni. Mamali among gibuhat sa una kini with my hubby.
Abi?
Wifi. With my wifi. With my wifi. So, dugay lang kayo ni siya. Kuha na ni, almost 2 years na wala. Mana lang yan yung kulang, wala na mo nabutang. Kaya karon ato na ning ibutang. Ingani na siya mga paksa. Ano na siya. So, ang gamitan nato nga hinges, kini ra, kining nulid na na hydro. Nulid na ni sa buslutan nato ini. So, dikit lang natin ni siya. Screw. Mau na. Ayos na. Okay, so trabaho mga pagay. Relax. Sit back and relax.
Never stood up, never got in your way. Never talked back, never thought that I would change. Didn't know how to be strong. I was barely hanging on, thinking if there's a light inside, why can't I turn it on? Kept it all in till it cracked under your weight. I promised myself I would end it, no debate. And I know it's hard to take, but I just can't stay the same. Tired of letting you win this game.
Kaya, mga paps, so ayos na. Oo. Ayos na. After 4 years, ngayon lang natapos ulit. Ito lang hindi nalagay. So, ha? Hey, my name is Papa Ger. Ito ang trabaho ko. Boss. Ang trabaho pala namin ni Mrs.